Here, this is the intermolecular forces. Other forces of intermolecules is answer question two questions. Question number one. Weak intermolecular force that exists between polar molecules of permanent polar molecules of permanent polarity. Answer is number one is Kisum force is intermolecular force exist between polar molecules of permanent polarity. Here we coming to question number is two. Question number is two is the COOH group of cellular amino acids can form which of the following bonds inside the cell is answer is number four is amide and carboxylic anhydride bonds is correct. Amide and carboxylic anhydride bond is correct. Here, this is the 3.4 is hydrophobic bonds, etc. Contains 8 questions. Question number one. The main force involved in the protein folding are answer is number two is hydrophobic interactions, hydrophobicity. Main force of protein folding and not hydrogen bond, covalent bond, and van der Waals force. Main force is hydrophobicity, and other bonds are also involved in the hydrogen folding. Here we come in question number is two. The globular protein when treated with solvent solvent denature full stop. The main interactions which is which is um, which is altered affected which is affected on treatment uh, with organic with organic solvents with the organic solvents is answer is number four is hydrophobic interactions. Here question number three is on the molecular scale, which of the following interactions in a non-polar environment provides highest contribution to the biomolecule is answer is number four is hydrophobic interactions, not and van der Waals not. Van der Waals hydrogen bonding salt bridges are not main force highest contribution, not but it is the lowest contribution in these bonds. Here we coming to question number is four. Here a protein in 100 millimolar KCl solution was heated and the observed Tm midpoint of unfolding was 60 degrees Celsius. When the same protein solution in 500 millimolar KCl was heated, the observed Tm was 65 degrees Celsius. What is the most probable reason for this increase in Tm is answer is number one is correct. Hydrophobic interactions is increased and electrostatic repulsion is decreased. Here we coming to question number is five. Question number is five. The hydrophobic moment is answer is number three is correct. Here positive for amphiphilic secondary structures. Positive for amphiphilic secondary structures. Here this is the hydrophobic interactions, non-polar substances and highly charged water molecules are arranged. So these are the same. Here unaggregated state is water population highly ordered, low entropy, energetically unavailable, unavoidable. Uni Uni-avoidable. Here, this is the hydrophobic interaction. Water is released into the Uh, bulk solution. Here, this is the two molecules. Aggregated state, water population less ordered, high entropy, energetically more favorable. Unfavorable is the here. It is energetically unfavorable, energetically favorable. Here we coming to question number 6 is what is the force among the following that is primarily responsible for stabilizing for tertiary structure of globular proteins? Is answer is number 2 is hydrophobic interactions. And main force in primary responsible for stabilizing the tertiary structure by the hydrophobic effect. Here, this is the question number is 7. Seventh question. Predominant interactions between phospholipids that stabilize the as biological membrane include answer is number 3 is correct. Hydrophobic interactions and hydrogen bonding. So this is phospholipids stabilization by the has hydrophobic and hydrogen bonding. Here we coming to question number 8. This is the question number 8 is hydrophobic amino acids are prevalent in transmembrane regions of membrane embedded proteins because answer is number 2 is correct. Phospholipids tails are hydrophobic and therefore membrane embedded regions can be stabilized through the hydrophobic interactions. These 8 questions coming under hydrophobic bonds are interactions best wishes to in the exams.